Welcome to Kids Virtual School. Hello, little explorers. Welcome to our fun geography adventure. Today, we are going to learn about the world around us. Are you ready to travel to faraway places without even leaving your seat? Let's begin. First, let's start with the continents. Our world has 7 big continents. Let's say their names together. Ready? Here we go. Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Australia. Wow, look at all those continents. Can you point to the one where you live? Let's take a closer look at each one. Africa, animals like lions and elephants. Antarctica, snow and penguins. Asia, mountains and the Great Wall of China. Europe, the Eiffel Tower and big cities. North America, the Statue of Liberty and Niagara Falls. South America, the Amazon rainforest and Inca ruins. Australia, kangaroos and the Great Barrier Reef. These are the 7 continents. Each one is special in its own way. Now, let's move on to the oceans. The world has 5 big oceans. Let's learn their names together. Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Did you know that the Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean in the world? It's so big that it covers more than 1/3 of the Earth's surface. Now, let's take a little trip to some of the most famous landmarks in the world. Have you ever seen the Eiffel Tower in France or the Great Wall of China? Here's the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France. It's tall and beautiful. And over here is the Great Wall of China. It's so long that it can be seen from space. Wow! We've learned a lot today about continents, oceans, and some cool landmarks. Keep exploring the world around you and remember, geography is all about discovering new places and learning how big and wonderful our Earth really is. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Until next time, happy exploring!